If you're over 60, you know the drill. That annoying numbness in your fingers, the wobbly knees that make every step feel like a chore, or those joints that creak like an old door. It's not just physical. It's stealing your joy, keeping you from chasing grandkids, gardening, or just strolling without that constant nagging ache. You're not alone. Millions feel this way, but here's the kicker. It's not inevitable. Forget shelling out for fancy pills or exotic treatments that promise the world but deliver zilch. The real fix? It's hiding in your kitchen pantry. We're talking about collagen, the glue that holds your joints together, keeps nerves firing right, and rebuilds your body's framework. And guess what? Its power ramps up big time after 60, when your natural production dips. Stick with me because I'm about to reveal 5 delicious snacks that'll supercharge your collagen levels naturally. They'll help you feel like yourself again. Strong, steady, and ready to move. Let's dive in. 1. Almonds. Oh man, picture this. A handful of these crunchy gems roasted just right, feeling like a luxurious treat you'd snag at a high-end cafe. They're not just nuts. They're your secret indulgence, buttery and satisfying, making healthy snacking feel downright pampering. Almonds are packed with vitamin E and magnesium, plus protein that fuels collagen production. Big words like tocopherol might sound fancy, but here's the simple truth. They boost blood flow, cut down on nerve inflammation, and tackle that tingling head-on. A study showed munching on about 2 ounces daily ramps up vitamin E levels by 8.5%, easing neuropathy linked to deficiencies in folks over 60. Plus, those B vitamins in almonds, they're nerve superheroes, proven to support function and ward off peripheral issues. Making them couldn't be easier. Grab a small handful, 20 to 30 grams, and nosh away. For a collagen twist, pair 'em with a slice of orange for that vitamin C kick, which your body needs to build collagen from scratch. The payoff? You'll notice steadier hands, less numbness, and legs that feel powered up for daily wins like climbing stairs without the wobble. You're crafting your own strength one bite at a time, reclaiming control over your body with care and purpose you can feel every single day. Strawberries, or any berries, really. Imagine popping these juicy ruby red delights, fresh from the fridge or frozen for that cool burst. Like treating yourself to a gourmet fruit bar. They're sweet, tangy, and oh so decadent, turning a simple snack into a feel-good ritual. These little powerhouses overflow with vitamin C, the key player in collagen synthesis, plus antioxidants that fight inflammation and shore up nerve health in seniors. In lab and real-world studies, vitamin C from berries amps up collagen creation, heals wounds faster, and dials down neuropathy symptoms. Another research batch shows berries fend off age-related brain fog and nerve decline, potentially slashing that inflammatory tingle by improving cognition and reducing swelling. Keep it dead simple. Eat 'em straight up or blend into a quick smoothie. Add a squeeze of lemon for extra C, or toss with yogurt for amino acids that team up for collagen magic. Berries are everywhere. Grab 'em seasonal or frozen, using what you've got from last night's dessert. You will notice smoother movements, less weak legs, and faster hand reactions. It's empowering. You're not just eating. You're rebuilding from within, turning daily self-care into tangible freedom from that creaky, unreliable feeling. Canned sardines. Yeah, I know. They sound humble, but dress 'em up on a crisp cracker. And it's like a seaside bistro experience, flaky and savory, with that umami punch that feels indulgent without the guilt. Loaded with omega-3s and protein for collagen repair, they mend nerves and banish nutrient shortage tingles common in older adults. Studies highlight how sardines' omega-3s tame low-grade inflammation, cutting neuropathy risks, thanks to bonuses like calcium and taurine. A meta-analysis even found omega-3 supplements slash chemo-related nerve issues by up to 80%, And for seniors, fish like sardines slow cognitive nerve decline. Zero hassle. Drain a can and eat straight, or top with herbs. Smart combo? Add tomato slices for lycopene, boosting collagen stability. Use that tin from your pantry, leftover from tuna salad night work stew. What you'll gain: effortless standing, walking without the shakes, and a body that feels tuned up. It's all you. Homemade healing that restores your independence day by day, with results you sense in every steady step. Hard-boiled eggs. Simple yet elegant, like a protein-packed pearl you peel and savor. Creamy yolk and all, evoking a cozy brunch vibe that's pure comfort. Brimming with protein and vitamin B12, they crank up collagen output, while preventing B vitamin shortages that spark tingling in elders. Research warns severe B12 lacks led to anemia and nerve woes like neuropathy, but supplementing or eating eggs reverses it, boosting nerve function. Another study proves even mild fixes in seniors sharpen cognition and nerves, with eggs as a top B12 source. Easiest ever. Boil 1-2, peel, and snack. Amp collagen by sprinkling paprika or pairing with spinach for folate. Boil a batch from breakfast extras, practical as can be. Payoff: reduced creaks in joints, stronger legs for daily tasks, and hands free from that persistent buzz. You're in charge, creating nourishment that empowers you to move with confidence and ease, feeling the difference accumulate. Oranges or citrus fruits. Slice one open and it's a burst of sunshine. Zesty, refreshing like a tropical escape in your hand, making snacking feel vibrant and upscale. Overflowing with vitamin C to propel collagen. They enhance blood flow and fade poor circulation tingles. Studies show citrus juice spikes skin vitamin C, aiding collagen synthesis and antioxidants in aging folks. More proof. Citrus stabilizes collagen structures, better circulation, and lowers heart risks, easing nerve symptoms from sluggish blood. Utterly straightforward. Peel and eat fresh or segment for portability. Boost with almonds for amino acids. Your body loves that duo for collagen. Use that orange from your fruit bowl or juice leftovers. You will move easier, say goodbye to weak, shaky legs, and numbness will disappear. It's self-made vitality. Purposeful bites that rebuild your strength, letting you embrace life without limits. All right, let's make this actionable. Your easiest starting point? Kick off with berries or citrus. Grab what's in your fridge today for an instant win. No overhauls needed. Just slip one in as your afternoon pick-me-up. Remember, healing isn't rocket science, it's about consistency. Turn this into your daily self-love ritual and watch the changes unfold. Stick with it and those snacks will become your secret weapon. To wrap it up, these 5 snacks, almonds, berries, sardines, eggs, and citrus, are your ticket to naturally rebuilding collagen, waving goodbye to that stubborn tingling and weakness. Even adding just one daily can spark huge shifts. Start now, pick your fave, and try it today. If you love this, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more natural health hacks. Drop in the comments. Which snack are you trying first? Share your stories, we're in this together. Let's keep feeling better, one simple step at a time.